Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are doing Nerf 4 Part 4. I just got a message. He's being a dork. Okay, so the war starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5.
I don't think you see what's in my gun.
I got all the plastic darts.
I keep getting text messages.
That's the daddy gun of this gun. She's trying to shoot me with the white one again. Don't you dare try to shoot me with the white one. She's trying to shoot me. She's trying to kill me. Liam. I don't have a gun! Look at it! Oh god! He's got a white one. Back. He had a white one! This sucks. So
again, prepare to die. Don't have ammo, and you didn't even hit me. So even if you were to hit me, that wouldn't count because I have 0 ammo.
He had a white one though.
Oh, I did.
Yes, you did.
I did really. Okay, I'm doing ammo. I didn't realize I had a white.
He had a white one loaded. My leg is still in pain.
Hi.
Comment if you're Skibbity Rizzler, just like me.
Stop saying that to the kids.
Not so Sigma now. He's got Santa. Spit in it. Everybody be scared. And comment, I love Nerf 4s and go Logan Bro. Hashtag Logan Bro in all videos and the comments. Please do it. And support this man. Subscribe to him.
Okay, I'm chill. I'm not even loaded.
Please do it. Support him. Go on Mr. Beast's comment and say, Logan Bro 417 rules.
It's goated.
Yes. Or goated. Logan Bro 417 or I don't know. You probably can guess his name by now from his username. I love him as a friend. He's my best friend ever. The best guy is right here. Come on.
Okay,
Subscribe! Okay, guys, you make sure to... I don't have Instagram. Okay, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button for notifications. We're coming up with part 5.